What is going on, guys? Are you guys struggling with your Asian hair? Trust me, I know exactly how you feel. Straight hair, sides sticking out, thin hair. We're just not blessed in this department. Honestly though, with a bit of product, with proper technique, anyone can turn their hair looking like this to this. And in this video, I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna show you how I style my hair. Let's go. And before I get into that, you're going to need 5 things. A comb. I'm using a round hairbrush, but anything like this will do as well. Of course, a hairdryer. Number 3, a styling foam or a mousse. Number 4, your choice of hair products. I'm using a wax from Bad Labs, but you can definitely go with a pomade or clay. And lastly, some hairspray. Step 1, wash your hair. The reason for this is to make your hair more malleable and pliable when you're blow drying your hair. Once you're done, pat your hair dry with a clean towel. Step 2, which I say is an optional step, but if you want your hair to be locked in place throughout the day or night and have a bit more volume, then you definitely need to try styling foam. Remember to always shake it first because it's a pressurized can. For shorter hair like mine, I recommend a ping pong size amount. Gently apply this all over your hair like this, and you really want to get into the roots until all the foam disappears. Step number 3, blow dry. Start with hot air on a low setting if your hairdryer has one. What you want to do is you want to run your fingers in your hair towards the same direction of your part. By doing so, you're actually helping your hair maintain that direction without the need of any product, despite it not being in its natural direction. As you can see, the natural direction of my hair is actually a bit of every direction, which is super annoying, so this tip is crucial with giving your hair that look you want to achieve. Another tip here if you want more volume is to go upwards. Remember, you don't want to flatten your hair, so lift your fingers upwards and blow the hot air through it. Next, we have step 4, which is the secret to give your Asian hair that volume. It's with this baby, a brush or a comb. Now you have your hair pointing towards the right direction. What you want to do is you want to lift your hair up and give your hair a gentle curl with a comb like this. Once you have it in place, take your hairdryer and blast hot air against it and slowly curl your hair outwards. Essentially what you're doing is what a hair color does, which is to give our Asian hair a bit of volume and that wave, which makes the whole styling process a breeze. Repeat the process with your fringe or wherever you want your hair to have a bit of wave. You can see for my haircut, I have a bit of hair on this left side, so what I like to do is blast hot air downwards like this so I won't have any standing hairs poking upwards when I style it. As you can see, my straight Asian hair is looking way better than before despite it not having any product at all. Step 5, applying product. Remember, the amount you use is incredibly crucial as well. Too much is going to make your hair look sticky, and too little, your hair is just going to fall down. A perfect amount is a dollop like this. A pro tip here is to always go less if you're unsure, because you can always add on but not remove. So what you want to do is you want to put it on your palm like this, and you really want to smear it and really break down those clumps with your palms. So do this until you have a very thin layer of product on your palms. Start with the front and go in the direction of your hair, and you want to go deep into the roots, so really get in there. Once you're done, do the same with the sides and the back as well. I'll also apply whatever's left on my hand on the other part where I like to push it downwards so it doesn't spring back up when I'm out and about. Last but not the least, we have step number 6, which is the easiest step. Hairspray. For me, I don't like going overboard. Just a few sprays to keep my hair locked in place, and I'll definitely recommend this brand. It has an incredible hold and has never failed to do the job to keep my hair locked in place. So I'll definitely leave some links in the description below for this, as well as the other products you see in today's video in case you're interested. A tip here is to make sure you keep your distance when spraying, so don't get too close. So there you have it, a simple 6-step guide to style any Asian hair, even if it's the most annoying and straightest hair. Guys, it's all about the practice, so give it a go, and trust me, the more you do it, the more you're gonna learn about your hair, and you're gonna be styling your hair like a boss in no time. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a like if you learned something new today, and definitely subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, stay dapper.